Good evening, folks, and here is the first loss we just took in today's first starting of the week. So as you can see, this is the daily time frame. Let me show you the weekly one first. So this is the weekly time frame on the euro dollar. I only trade euro dollar. So yep, here it is. In the previous week, you can see that high. It just took a very significant buy side liquidity, and we have this fair value gap that market is respecting its constant encouragement, and then it went lower and closed the price right here. So this candle actually determines that the next candle is going to be bearish. Why? Because it is respecting the bearish fair value gap, and also it has taken a very significant buy side liquidity, right? So coming today as Monday and in the London session, I knew that this week should be bearish. So I go to the lower time frame on the daily one, right? Well, I don't really get so much stuff, like so much information on daily stuff, rather than let's just go to the 4 hour one, all right? So we are on the 4 hour one. Before the London session, market didn't take these highs, so we had these highs as well, and we had these lows as well, all right? So as I said that we are bearish for the whole week, I wanted market to clear out these lows. So that was the bias for today, for today's London session, and for whole today. But these highs were making a bit of problem for me. And in the London session, especially, I don't really trade London sessions of Mondays, especially. I really don't trade. I only traded today. I don't know why. I just wanted to, test my trade, and I didn't risk so much, so it's completely fine. Yeah, I'm completely fine with that. So what do we see? We see a buy side above these highs as well, and a sell side below these lows as well. So I go to more lower time frame, and okay, so what I see is that this high had already taken the previous high, and it is respecting the OTE level from that high to this low, because this is the lowest low, and which has taken this sell side liquidity, and this high had taken that high. So I was like, this high is very significant, not like ignoring the fact that this and this high, they are still relative equal highs. So I was like, it's all right, it has taken that buy side liquidity now, so market should not be taking that high. So my bias and everything set to these lows as of a target, right? So we go to the more lower time frame on 5 minute one, and the London Open was over here, 2 a.m. London opens. We come down to this constant encouragement of this 4 hour fair value gap. That is a very significant fair value gap on a 4 hour, if you can see it. And I'm noticing that market is keep making these high weeks and trying to go lower. So my confidence in like in these lows even increased. So I was like, all right, mate, and let the market just clear out these highs once more and fill out this 15-minute fair value gap. I'm gonna take my entry there. And once it did it, I took the entry and I set my stop loss right here. I didn't really want to go stop loss to there, because if market is gonna come to here, it's also gonna take those highs as well. So let me tell you, my stop loss was right above this body, not the wick, body. So this type of thing helps you in like maintaining your RR. So that is why I did that. And as you can see, these two candles are very high volatile candles. They took my stop loss first, took the buy side, and then started running down to this sell side. And the price action was over here was very actually good. It was my mistake. And I even had mentioned in my live stream where I took this trade that market can do this. Market can take these highs first and then go for these lows. But I wanted to take this trade anyway. And I took less risk, so it doesn't really matter. So look at the price action. We come down at the bottom of the fair value gap. We consolidate a bit. We go up. We like respects this contact encouragement, come back down and still struggle and come back up and like respecting the OT level from that high to this low, as you can see how perfect it is, right? And let me tell you another thing. Let me show you. I think it was, yeah. Now there is this fair value gap on the 2-hour time frame. Market even came back to this fair value gap, making it this fair value gap, an invariant fair value gap, in order to go lower to these lows, right? So that's what also did market, and also filled this OT level. So as you can see, the price action was actually very clear. And what we learned today is that never ignore the equal highs. And even in the past, I had learned that if you are in a range where there are sell side as well as very significant sell side as well and very significant buy side as well, then you should always wait to be to let the market take one of them. Because if market takes buy side, then there is only the sell side left. Then you have to go for the sell side and take trade there. So I did this mistake, and we're gonna learn from it, hopefully. So hope you guys liked it and learned something from it. And if it was very informative, y'all should really come out and check out my live streams. I live stream literally daily, and even the London session and New York session. As for now, I'm in holidays, so I'm gonna be doing both live streams. So if you guys liked it, and if you're gonna come, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in my live stream. Peace out.